Zennbox is an all-in-one AI platform that helps you collect, save, and organize all your resources in one place so that you can always refer back whenever you need them. It supports all kinds of files, whether it is website links, YouTube videos, social media posts, text notes, your photos, PDFs, PPTs, Excel sheets, and many more. It also helps you in learning from them in a better way, where you can document all your learnings and connect various resources to notes, and also with each other. I personally use this feature a lot. It helps me in quickly referring back to various files. It is based on the famous Zettelkasten technique of note taking. With its AI feature, you can also talk to them. You can ask, search, or summarize any resource or even a set of resources that you have already saved in the platform. Simply add the resources from the drop-down for context and ask or give a task. You can simply save links by directly pasting it in the text area below or using our dedicated extension. Just click on the extension icon in your browser and click on Save button. For note, just type in the title and press enter and start writing. For files, simply add them using the Add File button or by using the drag and drop feature. With Zennbox, you can do everything in one place. Head to zenbox.app today and get started for free.